It's devil. The devil. Uncommon devil. Devil. Devil, where are you?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Johnny, look at that big one.
Oh, the bird's coming out.
Oh, what came out? It's trying to go in.
Yeah.
This is interesting.
Another one.
Oh, there, look at that. They are coming from outside.
Hello.
Look at them. They want to go inside.
Hello.
Hello. Look at that. They want to go inside.
Yeah, kangaroos in the free. Kangaroo. Oh, okay. Thank you.
These are very
Let's
good.
go.
They are
Go to
just, like they want to go inside. They are from neighborhood.
More food.
That's good. They want to go in. You want to go inside, huh? You want to go in? There is no way you can go in. There is a fence. Fence, you cannot go inside.
Oh, that's weird.
They want to go inside. Cannot go inside. There's a fence. How you want to go in, huh? There is no way you can go in. Huh? You are beautiful. You want to go inside, eat food? They're going to go inside of the cage, but they cannot.